Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Gonzalez. I just want to see how everybody's doing. I kind of want to walk you through some things right now on what you need to practice during this time of being home. We want to make sure that practice is interesting, that you're having fun. With the smart music, it's been really cool. But there's another application that we want you to get, video conferencing, called Zoom. And Zoom is it's just another video face-to-face kind of thing, but on Zoom we can actually have multiple people. So we're going to try to have some small sessions in the coming weeks. So I want to walk you through some things that I have for you so that you can see what's going on and how you can maximize your practice. So let's see what we have. All right, I'm going to walk you through smart music. This is my son's. This is Evan's login. I'm going to walk you through once you get everything set up on smart music. This is the next thing that you need to kind of venture through when on there. Now, when you log in, you're going to be prompted to this, which is your account details, and all you need to do. Now, let me tell you, your friend right here on this site is going to be right here. Okay, these little dots to the top right, and you're going to find everything that you need there. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now you get some options: home, find music, practice, analysis for performers, and then your gradebook. Okay, the main one that you need to really enjoy and figure out how it works is home, find music. So I'm going to go ahead and click home. Now on what you're going to find is to the left, right here in the left center, you're going to find your assignments due and what you've already done in your graded assignments. So if you see here, there were 2 assignments, and this student, Evan, has already completed Manhattan Harvest, and he got a 90 on it, which is pretty cool. Once you record, we will get that, and we can actually hear your performance. So that's the next thing. And then the next thing, he still has an assignment to do, which is his 1-octave scale and arpeggio, which is actually due March 20th, which is tomorrow. So he's going to click start, and I'll walk you through that in just a second. You'll click start, and then you're ready to start the assignment. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that right now. So with the assignments due, you're going to click start, and it's already pre-selected for you because he plays French horn, and then that's the one thing, your primary instrument when you signed up for Smart Music. And then you click OK. Let it load. All right, so instructions. Now that's kind of wrong. I'm going to change that, but it's out of 100 points. Now what you're going to do here, this is the site that you have. You do not need to actually submit it yet, but what you can do right now is just go ahead and practice through it. Now it's preset to 75, and you can actually this is where you change the metronome, the speed, and you just slow it down, let's say to 65. Okay, and for his practice time, what he's going to do is hit play. And what he's going to do from here, and he can play with this as he's going through. Cool. Now he can practice as many times. So we recommend that you don't submit until you're completely 100% sure that that's the recording that you want. Now, if you want to assess already, you come up here and hit assessment. Now this button right here is your record. Now it says, well, no, okay, qualify. Okay, so we're going to hit reset assignment. Okay, test your microphone, and let's see if it's testing. It says good, start. Okay, so now he wants to do it. There it is. All right, so he did it. Now, well, I did it. Now, you see there were a couple wrong notes, and it already gave him a grade of 91. Now, if that's the grade that he wants to do, and he's happy with it, then you would hit submit. Save and submit. If he's not, you can do another one. And what you do is there's a pull down here, and then you'll have a whole list of all your recordings. And what's cool about this is that Smart Music will actually list them in order of highest grade. So this is kind of a really cool thing for you to do. So don't submit it if you don't like it. It has to be of our approval on what we like and our standard. So remember, you're trying to reach your band director standard when you're submitting. Now, when you've submitted and you hit save, here's what happens. Hit submit. Okay, if you want to leave a comment to your teachers, I'm going to say, okay, I get it. You're awesome, and then there you go. Submission of your take. If we like it, very cool. Uploading, please wait, start uploading audio. Now, the cool part about this is having the background. And what you want to do with the background music is really, okay, here we go, is try to like tune to it. So this is a good opportunity to tune to the background. All right, so that's how you do a test or your assignment, and you can tell what you got wrong, and it actually gives you help. It'll actually show you that B natural, let's see, that B right here is positioned T2. But we played a wrong note there, okay? So once you hit submit, you got the assignment done. Now, if you're just like trying to record it and submit it right away without practice, we can assign it to you, and that's just kind of a waste of time for all of us. So give us your best. Really take time to practice. Evan, I know, had practiced this. He hasn't submitted yet, and I'm gonna resubmit this for him so he can do it again. But he practiced this for like 30 minutes, and that was kind of like really cool. Now, if you want to practice just one section, click loop. Let's see how this works. Actually, I don't know if I'm familiar with loop. Let's see, set. Oh, here we go. You hit set. And if you want to just loop this much, I like the way it follows through. It's going to go back to the beginning. Then it goes back to the beginning, and it'll always give you a count off. So that's another great practice thing that you can do is hit loop before. This is just for practice. When you're ready to test, actually, let's take that off, clear it. You want to clear the loop, and then when you're ready to play, you click record again. All right, now we're going to go back to our friends up here to the top right, and then we're going to go back to home. Now notice it says that all his assignments are graded already. Now guys, the best part about this is we don't have to grade it. And now if it's a low grade, and we're going to listen to you and see if we can get the grade up. If not, then we'll reassign it to you so you can practice it more and do it again, okay? But here's his grade. All right, so next thing on here is find music. See that? Now you can find music here, or you can look here. Oh, I forgot to show you something. Your method book is on the bottom right. You see that? Every class should have their method book on the bottom right. Now this is where you're going to find everything. So you're going to, it's already pre-assigned. You can find anything that you want right there, okay? So make sure that you're on the bottom right finding your method book. Now to find music, you can click any of these, solos or things like that, anything that you need for that. So make sure that you're taking care of this part. Now, let's see, if you want to find music, let's say like Star Wars. See what happens. Ah, look at this. Look at this. Now, let's see what we can find here. Now look, they have Star Wars and different instruments. So let's say we're going to do Star Wars for oboe. Look at that. All you do is click open. And then you get to choose. Let's try the main theme. Folks, here you go. there's just a plethora of music that you can play through and that you can work with. Star Wars. Okay, so here we go. Let's just play it. That's cool. You just play with the cursor, and if you want to hear your part, like my part. Let's stop it right there. So if you want to hear your part with it, just click that one. You can turn down the accompaniment so you can hear more of your part. Ah, how cool is that? Now, folks, let's come back over here to our little friends and let's go back to home. Everybody, this is just it's so cool. There's so much music on here to choose from solos to sight reading to jazz to small ensemble to everything that you need, okay? So this is just a really cool tool. Make sure that you're taking advantage of it. Now remember, through your method books, you have your method books down here and you'll have an assignment for that. All right, let me just walk you through the next one. This one's pretty easy. It's called Zoom, and we need everybody to at least do a subscription to Zoom. It's free, and just Google Zoom, Z-O-O-M, and just when you get there, click sign in. Now this is really easy to do. Okay. Now with sign in, all you have to do is not do this. Come down to sign in with Google. Best part about it, you can use your school account. Let's see, it's going to allow it. You can use your school account for this, or any Gmail account. Preferably, we want your school account, okay? So let me click Chris Gonzalez. And it opens up. Okay, and then all you have to really do is meetings, profile, schedule a meeting, which I will do. I'll make sure to schedule a meeting for you. And then we'll get going and get moving on doing this, okay? So make sure you do that. Sign up for an account. We'll show you how to do that. Next thing, Schoology. With your Schoology, we're going to place assignments on there, but we want you to look at the announcements. The announcements will have everything that you need, and with videos and kind of your assignments that are going to be on there through Google Docs. So just make sure that you're looking through that. We'll send an email so that you can look through it and know that it's on there. But every day, check Schoology, check your assignments on Smart Music, and hey, have fun, practice. All right, go Kleb Band, and you'll hear from us soon. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully this is a great tool for you. Thank you.